my channel. First of all, thank you so much for clicking on this channel and watching it, because I know you're a true Kylie fan if you're watching this video. This video is totally for Kylie. I mean, I love her. I love her products. I love the way she carries herself. She is just the role model for me in today's generation. I mean, Kylie, you're the best. I love you. So yes, I am going to review some of Kylie's products that I have recently ordered online, and I'm super excited because I love them and I'm pretty sure you will love them as well. So the first thing that I ordered from the Kylie shop by Kylie Jenner are 3 phone covers for my iPhone 6 Plus. So I'll show it to you one by one. So this is the Kylie shop. This is the I think the signature Kylie lips logo that is on the phone cover. So anybody who is a Kylie fan and has this phone cover would know that this girl is crazily obsessed about Kylie. So this is in blue, and I also got a one in pink here. So these are the 2 phone covers I ordered with the same logo but different colors. And they're so good, they're so soft, they're so velvety, they're so thin. They just make your phone light. They don't make, there's some bulky covers that I don't like that make your phone heavy, and this one just makes your phone light. So the third cover that I ordered is the Kylie Jenner lips. I'm pretty sure it's coming a little weird on the screen, but it's the Kylie Jenner lips. It's black, it's soft. It is plastic, but then the material just feels so velvety and smooth. I mean, it's so good. So these are the 3 covers that I ordered online from the Kylie Jenner shop. I'll put the link and the price to all of this in the description box down below, so you can go have a look. So apart from the Kylie shop, Kylie is like the queen of the cosmetic and the beauty world right now. She is ruling every makeup artist's heart and every girl's heart out there who is in love with makeup. Her products are just doing so good. She's providing you quality, and like she's providing you the quality for what you pay basically. And I'm super satisfied with her products, and I am forced to order her products again and again when I run out of them, even being in India when it takes like so long, because they're just so good. I don't think so any other brand till to date has come out that can replace Kylie Jenner's product. They're so good. So the first thing I would want to show you are her lip kits. I had actually ordered these lip kits a long time ago, so I've gotten rid of all the boxes and everything, but I just wanted to review Kylie's products, so I'm just going to show you. So my favorite is the Mary Jo K by Kylie Jenner. So this is a nice deep tomato red kind of a lipstick, and I'm going to apply it on my hand here so you can have a look. I'm sorry about the henna on my hand. I had some function back home, so I had to apply henna. So here, this is the Mary Jo K shade, and it comes with this lip liner by Kylie. So this is my favorite. Like, I don't think so I found a more perfect red than this. It is beautiful. It gives a perfect matte finish to you, and it stays for long. Like, if you apply this before and then you apply this, then your lipstick tends to stay longer for Kylie Jenner products. So this was the Mary Jo K by Kylie. The next matte lipstick that I really like is the, I think this one is the Poise K. So this is the Poise K by Kylie. Again, the lip kits come with a lip liner and a matte finish lipstick. So I'll again apply this on my hand to show you what this one is like. This is more on the nude pink side. Like the Mary Jo K is more on the red side, but this one is more on the nude pink. Again, on the matte finish. I love my mattes. I'm not very much of a gloss girl. So if it's clear, henna just can get it a little blurry for you. So yes, so this is the Poise K by Kylie Jenner. It comes again with a lip liner. I'll show you here. It comes with a lip liner, and this is more on the nude finish side. I love wearing this with my casuals or my formals, and Mary Jo K is like perfect for any dinner. Like I feel if I'm going out for dinner, I have to put this plumpy red. It stays for long, it's matte finish, and it's such a deep intense color that automatically your lips are the most visible thing on your face. And yes, Kylie is known for her lips. So yeah, so this was the Poise K. The other three glosses that I ordered are not the lip kits, they're just the gloss. So they're all the nude shades that I ordered by from Kylie. So they are the Literally Like and So Cute. So I'll try applying them and showing it to you. I'm pretty sure it won't be that clear because of my henna, and this is a nude shade, but I just hope it can be of some help. I'll just try, I'll give it a try. So this one that I just applied on my hand is Literally, if you can see, it's a little difficult. Here you go, this is the Literally right here, and these are in the gloss, so they're not matte finish. Now I'm going to apply the Like and show you. This one is more on the bronze brown kind of a shade. I mean, I love these shades, they're just so. This one is the Like that I just applied. I know my henna is just making it very tough for you ladies out there to see the shade, but I will be putting all the description, and I'll try putting the images down as well in the description for you so you can have a clear view. And I will also put the link to her website so you can see the shades yourself. And the last one that you can see right here is the So Cute. So these were the three glosses that I've ordered. They don't come with lip liners, they're just basically glosses. You want to have a nude glossy lip, then you should go for the Kylie Jenner glosses. So these were all the lip products that I ordered from the Kylie. I'm also very obsessed with eyes. You know, I love doing, if you follow me on my channel, you know that I love doing my eye makeup, and I think I can compromise on my skin and my face but not on my eyes. In fact, today the eyeshadow that I'm wearing on my eyelids is by the KylieCosmetic.com. So this is the Bronze Palette by Kylie, and trust me, this is my favorite right now, all the shades in this. So let me open and tell you which one is my top favorite. My top favorite is the Citrine, which is right in the middle right here, and I'm wearing that today. If you can see, it is beautiful. All the shades are nice, they are very neutral at the same time. Like, the best part about the Bronze Palette is that, you know, you've got these shades which are very neutral, and you've got these shades that are really bold as well, so you can create a smoky eye look from the Bronze Palette by Kylie. And they have a matte finish again, and they're so good. Like, you just need to, you know, there are these eyeshadows where you have to rub a lot and just smudge it in, but this one is so smooth. You just take a little bit on your finger and you apply it, and it's there on your eyes. A little bit goes a long way. So this was the Bronze Palette by Kylie, and this is my current favorite in the eyeshadow palettes. She's also I think created a burgundy palette which I have ordered, and I will be reviewing it soon. The next eye product that I ordered, again, if you people follow me, you might be knowing I love my eyeliner, on my waterline, the kajal that we wear in India. So I did order Kylie's black eyeliner. So it comes with a black eyeliner pencil, black, what is this called? Okay, it's just this black kind of a kajal kind of a thing in this small box, and it comes with this eyeliner brush. So this helps you applicate. So these are the three things that comes in the black eyeliner kit. It is amazing. Again, the best part about Kylie's products are that they're so solid. Like, you know, you get satisfied wearing. It's smooth. You don't have to rub it on your face. Anything that you have to rub on your face is not good. Trust me, you don't want that. You don't have to rub it on your face. It makes you look good. It stays there for long. It's waterproof, and it just does wonders and make you look pretty. So yes, I am a big Kylie Jenner fan. In fact, for all you Kylie fans, let me inform you, today she is launching her vacation edition. So she's launching a full range of lip kits, eyeliner, highlighters, eyeshadows, and no, not contours. Yeah. So I'm really excited. They'll be launched on her site at 3 PM according to the PST. But I think in India it's going to be around 2 in the night. So I am going to definitely stay up to see what's there, because whenever Kylie launches something on the website, they just get sold out in like 15 minutes. So you have to basically be awake or be on her site an hour before you're going to do the shop during the launch. So yes, I'm excited for tonight. It's like a big event for me that Kylie is launching her vacation edition. I'm definitely going to go have a look. Please do go check it out. Anyways, if you liked my video, give it a thumbs up. Do stay connected with me on social media and show me your love by liking my videos and subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video and hope to see you soon in my next video. Bye bye and see you. Bye.